What's going on, guys? Eric from TheWiscoGuyz here today, and in today's video we're going to be installing running boards on a 2019 Ford Ranger. This will work for the 2019 to 21 Rangers in this moment as this video is being filmed. So definitely check out the link that I've put down below to these running boards. These are Ford factory running boards. Right from Ford accessories, or what you would see like on a blackout package Ford Ranger on like the 21s, so on the 2021 Rangers. So yeah, we're just gonna get right into it. I have the running boards over here. So here we are, Ford factory running boards. These are actually takeoffs from a blackout package Ranger, thanks to Aaron for working out a deal with me on these. So we're gonna get these installed. So what it comes with here, and we've installed these before in the shop here at the dealer, in the body shop. They come with 12 bolts to install these. So it'd be 6 on each side, as you see there, and of course 2 running boards. So you'll find that, you'll open up the package and you'll find this, and there will be instructions in there on how to install these onto your Ford Ranger. So let's get these over here and get everything lined up to install. Alrighty, now that I'm all set up here, I got the running board set, I got all the bolts set here. I did a little bit of cleaning underneath on the rockers, so we're gonna go under here. So under here you can see there's plugs right here and right here. So we're gonna take those out, and a screwdriver will probably work, but I got a fork tool. So as you can see, there's plugs right there that I took out, and it exposes the threads there for the bolts you're gonna have to put in. So just take all those out. There'll be 6 per side. Okay, so now that I got all the plugs out, there's 2 in the front, 2 in the middle, and then 2 in the rear. So you're gonna take your bolt and you're gonna put it in the top one, just loosely thread it in, just enough to get a few threads in. Now we're in the middle, and it's the top thread. So this is the bottom one, and that's the top one. This is in the middle. And we're working on the passenger side here, so now we're on the rear. Let's get some light on this one. Okay, so we're in the rear here. As you can see, there's one hole right there, and one hole right there. You want to thread it into that top hole up here. Just a few threads, like that. So now we got 3 of them in there, right there, and then 1 in the front. And you want to put them on the top, and then the front one's kind of closer in towards the frame there. So we're gonna hook the running board up next. I'll show you. As we're looking here, you see these little notches here. That's where these bolts are gonna go. They're gonna slide right into those bolts there, and they're on each one of them there. And like I said, the front one is a little different. It's more towards the frame, but as you see there, it's more towards the frame on the inside there, as you can see. But since you got your bolt in there, we're gonna hook this up. I'm gonna go under here, I'm gonna grab the running board, and I'm gonna just slide these mounts in to those top bolts we just saw. So there it is. It's just gonna hang there. So all 3 of those mounting points are on those bolts we just put in, and just loosely. So you're gonna take another bolt And you're just gonna go and just secure it. I'm gonna use the middle one. I'm gonna use the middle one just because, so now it can't fall off. Now that's up. And then I'm gonna take another one, just go to the back one, and just loosely thread that in. We're gonna loosely thread this one in too. All right, so next we gotta grab a socket and tighten those down. All right, so it's gonna be a 13 millimeter socket. I did grab an extension too to see if that would help a little bit, but we'll see. So I'm just gonna tighten these up. I am going to start with the front. As you see there, 2 bolts. Got my extension. Oh, it's pretty loose. All right, so those 2 are done. Move down, get some light, take the socket. Get this one tightened up with my finger. All right. And we'll move down. Those 2 are done. As you can see, top one first. If you want, you can do any one of them, really, it doesn't matter. Alrighty, and there we go. All right, and then there is one factory Ford running board in, I think it's like a grayish black, but like I said, I'll put the link down below on where you can get these. These are right from Ford, fordaccessories.com, and I'll link that down below. So I'm gonna go do the other side. I'm probably just gonna time lapse it real quick. So yeah, that looks pretty good. That should definitely help the kiddos. So, alright, I'm gonna go do the other side real quick. Alrighty, so we got the driver's side running board off. As you just saw, I did a time lapse with it, looking good there. And we got the passenger side on as well too. We got that on as well. Should we give them a try? Pretty good. I mean, they can hold my weight, and I'm fat. Yeah. So yeah, those are solid. Those are not going anywhere. I'm 300 pounds and it didn't even flex with my weight on it. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. I mean, it should take you about 30 to 45 minutes, maybe an hour if you're just, read through the directions. It'll tell you everything, torque specs and everything like that. Like I said, these were takeoffs off of Aaron's new truck, and he didn't want running boards, and I made a deal with him to get these running boards from him. So yeah, looking pretty good. Alrighty guys, I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Definitely hit the subscribe button below. Definitely, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, definitely comment below. I pretty much respond to every comment you guys have or questions or anything. So definitely comment below if you have anything to either mention or any questions. So thanks guys for watching. You guys have a good night. Bye.